My name is Friday, and welcome to my perspective. In this video, I'm gonna make a trip to the island of Koh Larn. And honestly, this is not scripted at all. I am just going to talk as you guys watch this video because the feelings that I had while walking on this Pier bridge, the view alone was so breathtaking. I just had to stop for a moment and suck it all in. I've been watching a lot of videos about Pattaya and Chiang Mai and Phuket and all these other awesome places in Thailand. Unfortunately, I only had 2 weeks. And if someone like me could do it, you can do it too. Take a plane, just fly down to Thailand and go see Pattaya. I mean, nightlife is not my thing, but it was definitely an experience. I had to be there to experience it. Instead of watching people on YouTube, I had to go there to experience it myself. And I'll tell you one thing, I do not regret it. Hello, so this is Friday, coming to you from Koh Larn Island. I just got off the boat, just leaving, and look at that view right there. I'm gonna try and go like somewhere over there. I'm in water right now. Woo.
Yeah.
Here we go. So I met this taxi guy.
Yeah.
Motorcycle.
Thailand.
Very nice guy. He's gonna take me around and yep, drive slow too. So see you on the other side. Hello, Sawadika. This is my first time here, but just check out this view. Like, this is amazing. Definitely amazing. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. I don't know what is in front of us, but that's part of the adventure. So let's go. Just can't get views like these anywhere else. Maybe you can, but from my experience there, just the 2 weeks I was there, I was so blown away by the culture, the people, just the friendliness of everybody, just wanting to know you and talk to you. And every time you're walking, they'll be calling you chocolate man, where you from? Like, you don't get that kind of attention stateside, or even where I'm from in West Africa. You just don't. And that alone, it just drew me in, it pulled me. Yes, probably after a while you get bored of it, but for the first time around, you actually feel like you're important. You actually feel like, wow, these people are so friendly. I don't see that racism or anything negative going on at all. Okay. So honestly, this place is really, really nice.
Yeah.
And
They have paragliding.
paragliding up there somewhere, and like we're gonna get some food over here. So you rent a speed motorcycle, and the guy pretty much just takes you all around the island as it shows. Technically, you're getting like a good deal. I mean, me personally, right now, listen, we negotiated it to 300 baht. That's not bad. That's like $10, and it will take you all around all day. Stop when you need to, and also like eat, enjoy the view. I got him all day for $10, so it's not bad. So after eating, I decided to just take a little walk on this other side of Koh Larn Island Beach. It's not very populated, as you can see, and to be honest with you, the breeze coming in, the feeling of being alive and being there, just being there in the present, was so overwhelming for me that I just couldn't believe it, that I was actually there. Reality finally hit me, and I realized, you know what? This place is beautiful. This is like my first official island that I've been on in my entire life. I cannot wait to see what else God has in store for me moving forward. There are so many activities to do on this beach. If you want a motorcycle tour, you got it. If you want to get on a jet ski, you got it. If you want one of those boat tours or rent a whole boat, you got it. If you just want to chill and eat some coconuts or drink some coconuts and eat some barbecue, you got it. If you want to go for a swim, you got it. And the thing is, it's not even that pricey. Everybody's just out here just having a good time, relaxing, enjoying themselves. And honestly, I did not mind the heat at all. It was hot, I'll tell you that. It was very hot, but I did not mind it. Why? Because the locals, everybody's just so friendly. People want to talk to you just because you're different. And I like that. I enjoy that part. So I was trying to enjoy the moment because I was there on holiday. That's the reason why I didn't record so much of everything, including the foods and the activities that I was doing. But all in all, this place for me was worth visiting. I think the whole day I spent about $20 total, and that was it. If anybody is ever in Thailand or close to Pattaya, I would definitely recommend at least checking Koh Larn Island. Do a one-day trip. Check it out. Alright, so I think that concludes the whole island tour. Kind of went around the whole place. It was 2 hours. It's not bad at all. But hey, people are still out here swimming and having a good time. So yeah, that's about it. I'm tired. I'm gonna go find a place to sit and drink some coconut. Hell yeah. Until next time. Peace.